Hello, my internet friends. Today, I wanted to share some exciting news about my side project. It recently hit MVP. The app is called Urjaa-maapakaha. That roughly translates to the energy tracker, from Sanskrit to English. The goal of this project is to measure an individual's electricity usage in a shared house. We're using a Tapo P110M smart plug for this. Typically, smart plugs come with an app that tracks the overall usage. But what they generally lack is tracking per individual. Meaning, no matter who turns on the plug, it records the usage under the account that registered the plug in the official app. This is where Urjaa-maapakaha comes in. The app allows users to access the smart plug once they log in. From here, they can turn the device on or off to record their usage. As per the MVP, the app currently captures this usage data. In the future, this data will be used for visualization, so that users can see their individual usage stats. As we launch the app, we see the login screen. Clicking the button prompts you to quickly log in with your Google account. Once logged in, we are navigated to the device dashboard page where we can confirm our authentication status. None of your details are saved to the database except for members. On this page, we can see the list of available and busy devices. To turn on a device, simply tap the switch corresponding to the device from the list of available devices and follow the UI prompts. Let's quickly jump to the database console and look at the usage table, which has 22 records for now. When a member turns a device on, a new usage record is created and it captures info about who turned it on, when did it start, which device was turned on, and most importantly, how much electricity is consumed so far today. This is the initial value which will be subtracted from the eventual value when the device gets turned off. This will make more sense as we turn on a device. And that's up next. Let's also quickly look at the official Tapo app where we can see the list of registered devices. Let's select washing machine to check today's consumption. We can see that the overall consumption of the device was 34 watts, and the device was used between 7 a.m. and 8 a.m. If we go back, we can see that the device is in off state at the moment. Now let's split the screen and load Urjaa-maapakaha and the official Tapo to turn on the washing machine. As we turn on the device, we are prompted with a dialog asking us to give an estimated time for how long we are planning to use the device for. For the demo, let's clear the input and see what happens. The UI presents a feedback that a time value is required and should be in the future. If we look closely, the Turn on with timer button is disabled while the Turn on without timer button is enabled. Let's turn on without timer for now. As expected, we can see the washing machine has moved down to the busy devices list and displays the info about who turned the device on and how long they are planning to use the device for, which we did not specify. Meanwhile, the official Tapo app refreshed and shows the current state of the device, which is consistent with our app. Previously, we did not set an estimate for the usage time and we turned on the device. Now we know how long the machine runs and want to set the time. Simply tap on the pencil icon, which then allows to select a time. Once the time has been selected, tap the check icon to save the time to the database. Now that's updated and we can see the updated estimate in the UI. When it's time to turn off the device, simply tap on the switch corresponding to the desired device from the busy devices list. This will disable the switch until the server responds and updates the UI. Now we can see that the washing machine is available to use again. Meanwhile, the Tapo app hasn't been refreshed yet and shows the previous state. This happens sometimes, and let's refresh the app manually. Now that the states are consistent, let's look at the usage statistics on the official app. We can see that the washing machine ran between 11 a.m. and 1 p.m. and consumed about 26 watts. This is because the machine actually ran for 16 minutes but was turned off much later. Finally, let's look at our latest usage record in the database one last time and give it a quick refresh. Ta-da! We can see that the consumption value updated and is matching the official app.